and welcome to this video tutorial that will show you how to download, install, and run the Cognos Interactive Report Viewer application. This application can be used to view and interact with your lactanet.mht reports. Examples of these reports include the Profilab report, the Sustainability Index report, the Hoof Health Interactive report, and others. To begin, we're going to go to my site and log in. Once logged in, proceed to the Documents section located in the upper right-hand portion of your screen. Once in this menu, proceed to the section that says Installation and click on Active Report Viewer Installation. This will automatically launch the download of the program. Once the download is complete, a pop-up will automatically appear. If it does not appear, click on your Downloads icon. You can then select the Open icon. Once your File Explorer launches, you can double-click on Active Report Viewer. This will launch the installation wizard. Go ahead and click on I agree. In the next window, select Only for me, and then click Install. Once the installation has completed, select Finish and make sure that Run Active Report Viewer is checked. Congratulations! You've now successfully installed the Cognos Interactive Report Viewer application. There are two ways that you can proceed to open your reports. The first is by clicking on the Open button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. This will open a window that will allow you to select any of your downloaded files or reports should you have them available on your computer. In the event that you don't have any reports currently downloaded, the second way that you can open reports is by returning to My Site. Once in My Site, you can directly download the report that you're looking for. To do so, you can either use the search bar on the right-hand side of your screen to search for the report by name. This will filter the reports containing the search term that you've entered into the bar. The other option is to simply scroll until you're able to find the report that you're looking for. You can then click it and the download will start automatically. Once the download is completed, instead of clicking the Open icon, click instead on the Show in Folder icon. This will once again launch your File Explorer application. From here, right-click on the report you want to open and select Open with Active Report Viewer. You can now proceed to interact with this report as you normally would. With interactive reports, if you are experiencing any trouble, normally there is a user guide or a troubleshooting guide available in the top right-hand corner. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are still experiencing problems with either the Cognos Interactive Report Viewer application or any of your interactive reports, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service department, who can be contacted by going to the address displayed on screen.